Hi, this is Pat Iyer with Legal Nurse Business, and I am so pleased to bring to you David Cohen, who is a certified trial attorney and an expert in nursing home litigation, as well as running a law practice both virtually and live. David, tell our listener and our viewer of this video, what is he or she going to get from attending your session of the LNC virtual conference?
You know, I've been pretty fortunate that I've been set up in a paperless fashion for probably about 10 years. And I was retaining clients or having them retain me virtually before that was a thing. We have a very sophisticated setup, and the clients really appreciate it because we have a system that's designed such that the clients know what they want to tell me. I know what I want to ask them. And we've created a system that facilitates both. And instead of the old-fashioned means of doing things where there's an attorney scribbling down notes while a client pours their heart out, we give them a quiet opportunity to explain everything that I want to know from them, and it's designed to give them an opportunity to tell me everything they want to tell me. And it really works nicely, and I've been doing that since before COVID. So it's really been quite nice.
And our LNCs who will be attending the conference are primarily working out of their homes if they are
Right.
building their businesses. Will you be able to give them some tips about how they can connect with attorneys now that law firms are disseminated, courthouses in many states are still closed, and depositions and maybe trials are all going to be done virtually, at least for a while?
Absolutely. And look what we're doing right now. I see you, I'm smiling at you, you're smiling at me. I probably get 60% of the body language I would get from an in-person meeting. But Zoom and any other platform, I don't like GoToMeeting as much, but it's fine. Yes, we can give them a lot of insights about how to interface with the attorneys, have them ready for depositions. You have sort of the ministerial issues about how to accumulate your documents and have them prepared. We will talk about the real world issues we deal with, such as the clanging you hear in the background is my new puppy playing with the only chew toy he has that makes noise when he picks it up. My 7-month-old dog, you can hear him in the background, but that's a reality of today's business, of today's law practice. We saw it on the news. We saw a reporter get up and he had shorts on. You know, that made its rounds virally. So yeah, we will talk about how the attorneys can interface with the LNCs, how they can interface with us, how we can prepare them for deposition, and still how to tell the story that we need to tell in our cases.
Excellent. Well, thank you, David. I'm so looking forward to your session.
Same here. And by the way, I'm going to hide that toy.
That's one way to deal with the noise, is to make sure that the distractor is eliminated.
Well, you know, the other thing is we all get kind of tired of eating the same things over and over again. You know, we've been cooking much more than going out. I think broiled dog will solve the problem too. So if I cook up Mr. Bo, my dog, we won't have the noise anymore.
I hope that your dog does not understand English and has not just heard that recommendation.
I know I can get in some trouble for that. He's
You
actually a
could,
lovely
you
little
could.
guy.
You might find you're waking up in the middle of the night and somebody's nibbling on your toes.
I know, I know. It's true. It's true. I'm very excited for this. It's going to be really interesting, and I'm looking forward to hearing all the other speakers too.
Excellent. And be sure, for you who's watching this, go to LNC.tips, October 2020 virtual. That link again is LNC.tips/October 2020 virtual. The link also appears on the screen below here. And if you sign up, as soon as you see this video, you'll have an opportunity to check out the rates, check out the schedule, and sign up for the sessions and build and expand your LNC practice.
Thanks for having me, Pat.
Thanks.